Jose Acuzar, the owner of New San Jose Builders, Inc., started to rebuild Spanish colonial Lura mansions in Baguio in 2003. In January 2010, the area was opened to the public as the Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar. It was placed under the management of Genesis Hotels and Resorts Corporation. In November 2021, it was named the best historic hotel in Asia and the Pacific by the Historic Hotels of America, citing it as one of the hotels that best celebrate its history in the guest experience and provide exceptional customer hospitality and service. Las Casas Filipinas de Acuzar in Baguio, Bataan will truly make you love Philippine history even if you're not that much of a history enthusiast yourself. The brainchild of architect Jose Jerry Acuzar, this heritage resort is literally a huge open-air museum with over 20 Spanish colonial buildings and stone houses from different parts of the country. Some of them were turned into luxurious accommodations, while others are open for public viewing. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.